just that. So quiet at the end of that anthem. It's spooky, it's eerily quiet in anticipation of this, the great race, and the 50th running. The grid now clear of everybody with the exception of vital team personnel. I'm just keeping an eye on anybody calling spooky and actually plugged a co-driver into the car. Seen by us, we'll reconfirm that once we're on the warm-up lap, as we now go through the process of focus, visualisation, and just calming the nerves a little bit. And always the terminology, just have some fun, tends to come up to these guys. It's not much fun when things are going wrong, but it's just to try and keep the guys nice and cool as we wait the start. This 23 corners makes up the best piece of bitumen in the Southern Hemisphere, and arguably the best piece of bitumen anywhere in the world, certainly across the top of the mountain. That is the case. 6.2 k's for each passing lap. The start line that occupies the spot, some 260 metres up the road from the finish line. Just that short dash out of 23 this afternoon, and around 5 o'clock we'll see another victory crowd and two drivers will be feeling euphoric delight, I am sure. Two drivers might have been.
Why would they all stand on the stairway?
Well, I'm going to put you on the spot here. Do you have a favourite?
I think should have started.
I'll tell you what, I mean, everyone has a favourite, there's no doubt about it. I think if I wanted a favourite, I'd like to see Craig Lowndes in that rock-coloured AAA Vodafone car cross the line first. If I was looking for someone else to make a little bit of history, I think I'd go to the front of the grid. Will Davison in the livery of the Moffat Bond double all those years ago. The fact that it's his 100th event, all those little things. He'd be the first one to do the factory Holden, factory Ford combination. He got himself on the pole yesterday. I guess there's that little bit of sense of 50 cents each way, I suppose. Anything different? I'd like Davey Reynolds purely for the press conference.
Yeah, well, that would be a good one, and they're a genuine chance as well. I'm a little bit with you, Minty. I think history would dictate that Peter Brock's name is so synonymous with this mountain. The trophy is the Peter Brock Trophy, and Craig Lowndes was the protege, and of course, a very emotional winner of the 2006 event. It has a similar big event feel to that weekend, so you're right. If Craig Lowndes does manage to do it alongside Byron Love, that would be a fantastic result. But my heart tends to go out to Ford Performance Racing in either of the two retro livery 1990-1977 inspired cars of Will Davison, John McIntyre, and Mark Winterbottom and Steve Richards. That would be a good thing as well. But look outside that group, and I would not deny or begrudge James Corsi and Cameron McConville coming through and standing on the top step of the podium. There's only room for one, unfortunately, and we will know how that will turn out in 161 laps time. It is 10:28. Scheduled start at 10:30, and the grid for the first time is now clear. We're about to take off on our warm-up lap for this year's Super Cheap Auto Bathurst 1000, 50th running, and a big trophy and prize up for grabs at the end of a hard day's work. Talking to a lot of people, I think that everybody's in the same mindset. They'd like to actually see a Ford performance or even a Ford win this weekend. Not outside the die-hard Holden fans, of course. Yesterday during the shootout, I referred to Mark Winterbottom as the modern-day Glenn Seaton. He's had two pole positions, but never won at a great race. But now it's time for the Muso grid. Well, let's have a look how they lined up at the completion of the top 10 shootout. Well, that's John McIntyre.
No, real.